Good news po sa mga kababayan natin sa SOC-Sargen or Region 12. Ongoing po ang walk-in applications para sa NAPOLCOM entrance exam from March 24 to 28, 2025 or until slots last. Pumunta na kayo sa 5th floor ng Mall of Ace Center Point sa Sergio Osmeña Street, Coronadal City, South Cotabato at magdala ng mga requirements. 5 po yan. Number 1, government-issued ID showing your date of birth. Number 2, certified true copy or CTC of any of the following school documents. Pwedeng letter A, transcript of records or TOR. Letter B, diploma. Letter C, certificate of graduation or COG. Kung wala kayong CTC, magdala kayo ng original at isubmit ang photocopy nito. Number 3, 2 passport-size colored photos showing yourself wearing a white shirt with a white background, and you should be holding a name tag showing your first name, middle name, and last name. Number 4, one legal-size white window envelope with 21 pesos worth of postal stamps at pangbayad na 400 pesos. Tandaan po na hindi tinatanggap ang NBI, police at barangay clearance bilang ID. Ongoing po ang enrollment natin para sa 15-day final coaching ng NAPOLCOM entrance exam. Ang Zoom sessions natin, April 7 to 25, 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Join our course para kayo na ang susunod na hashtag NAPOLCOM Passers. Questions? Type niyo lang po sa ating comment section.